Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ezekiel Akingbola. Today I'll be taking you through all the different steps you need to consider before registering your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Business registration is very important because it helps you to get validity from your client, and it helps you to gives you an edge over your competitors. So today I'll be taking you through all the different steps you need to get your business registered. You might be able to do it on your own after the class. If not, you can always call us to guide you as well. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Now, if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscription button below and let's get more fun. Thank you. Without further ado, let's go into the. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today, like I told you earlier on, we're going to be looking at how to carry out your registration, and the essence of this video is to guide you through questions you might be having concerning business registration with the Corporate Affairs Commission, that is CAC, especially in Nigeria. Now, most of you might be having questions. How can it be? How complicated can it be to register a business? But I'm here to help you simplify and get answers to all your questions. Without further ado, like I said, let's move into class and look at what we have for today. Okay, business registration. What is business registration? Business registration has to do with you legally incorporating your into the law. I don't know if you get that point, but what I'm trying to say in essence is that your business registration allows you to be able to legalize your business. It allows your business to be official. Now, some of us might have been running a business for a year or two, and your business is now recognized by the government of that particular state. But until you carry out the business registration, that is when your business is officially recognized as an existing business, and it allows you to be able to pay tax for your business. All right, now why do you need to register your business? Now, there are thousands and tons of reasons to get your business registered. One of them, what I'm going to mention today, is that it helps you to open what's it called now, a bank account in name of your business. Do you get that? It allows you to open a business account with any bank in Nigeria. Most of you would have, one of the ways to get your business more professionalized and more acceptable by anybody, notwithstanding government parastatals, international bodies and all. One of the major ways to let them know that you know what you're doing is to get your business registered. And imagine, for instance, you are interacting with a client and, okay, send me your bank account, I'll send you your personal account. It doesn't really give you a good picture as a business person. I believe you get that. So one of the things you must make sure you do, you register your business. So once you get your business registered and you have your certificate, you pick up your certificate from the office, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to get your RC number. With the RC number, you're going to join it together with the document you're going to get from the Federal Inland Revenue, FIRS. Now with that, you can now take it to the bank with other documents, your passport and the rest, take it to the bank and get your account opened. Another advantage is trust between you and your potential clients. Now, I've gotten hundreds and tens of questions on this. Why do I need to register my business? One of the major reasons is because you need to dedicate yourself. Now, I've always said this. I said it in my last video, and I'm saying it today again. One of the major things we trade in business, especially online business, is that we trade trust. And all the way to make your client trust you is by getting your business registered. Why do they trust you when you get your business registered? Very simple. What happens is that your documents, your address, your personality, who you are, your phone numbers, bills, everything are all documented with the federal government. Since you can be tracked, then it makes it very easy for you to be traced in case of any eventualities. I believe you understand. So it makes every customer to be at ease, and that's what you want to be doing when you are doing business. You want your customers to be at ease. That's where the money comes from. That's how the money comes. Now, you see, me going through this business registration, it has helped me get potential clients that have been able to bring more clients. Another reason why you should get your business registered, because getting your business registered helps you to get more clients. I can testify to that. Many of my clients that have registered over 100 businesses and about 20 company registration. That is over 100 business name registrations and 20 company registration. One of the things I've noticed is that once one of my clients get their business registered, they've always earned the trust. Remember, that's what I made in my second point. And aside that, immediately that happens, to experience increase in income or influx of clients. Now that's one of the major things. And I see what the first pain there is getting the money to register and all I know. But once you do it, you begin to see the proceed from there. I believe you all get me. So the next reason or the next point why you should get your business registered is because it opens doors of opportunities. Now, currently, I'm registering a business for a client, and the reason why such a client is registering a business is because of an opportunity, grant opportunity, loan opportunity. In fact, a bank will not loan you any money if your business is not registered. Do you see that? So, you are closing opportunities to your business and to yourself if you don't get your business registered. In fact, in time. Another reason very pertinent, which concerns me and has been a trouble for some of my clients, is that you need to register your business because your name is very important. What am I trying to say in essence? Now, there was a time I was trying to register a business for somebody, and we had issue reserving the particular brand name that this person has been using for a long while. I think about 3-4 years. Now, this person has a website for that name. He has an Instagram page for that name. He has a Facebook name for that. He has different social media outlets for that same name. But when we started registering the name, we couldn't get it. The name wasn't available. Do you see that? So it became an issue. We made several reservations. We tweaked the name different ways. But we made about 5 to 6 reservations. Now that alone is a waste of money. Now one of the ways to avoid this is that you register a business name on time. Now there was somebody recently that I registered a business for, and she has not started the business at all, but she registered the name. Now that alone has given her an edge, because whatever she wants to do, she's sure that that name is available. I believe you understand. So let me just leave you with those few points, and I hope with that few points I'll be able to convince you that you have to get your business registered. Suits your business. Now let's look at that in the next slide. What type of business registration suits you? Now, one of the major things you have to consider is that, is your business a sole proprietorship business? What do I mean by sole proprietorship business? I believe most of us did commerce, economics back then in school, and we're made to understand that a sole proprietorship business is a one-man business, and such kind of business is handled by one man, and you make every decision for the business, and you take the risks of the business, and different things like that back then in school. But the same thing applies here. If you're a sole proprietor, that means you are the sole owner of your business. You are handling all the risks, you are handling all the liability, you own all the assets, everything belongs to you. Then the kind of business registration you should be tailoring your business toward is business name registration. Remember, we have 3 forms of business registration. The first one is business name registration, second one is company registration, and third one is incorporated trustee. I believe you can see that now. So take note of, for a sole proprietorship business, you are applying the business name registration. I believe you are getting that. So your business registration is specifically designed for those who are who have a business that are sole proprietors. Do you get that? Okay, let's go. Now, is your business a partnership business? Now, if your business is a partnership business, I never advise you to register it as a business name. Do you get that? Remember, 3 forms of business registration: business name, company registration, and incorporated trustee. Do you get that? So the first one, if you're a sole proprietor, you register it as a business name registration. Second one is that if your business is a partnership, that is, you're in partnership with someone else and you can't really make the decision of the business on your own, then it means that you cannot register that business as a business name registration. Rather, you go for a company registration. There are different set of company registration. Maybe in my next video, I'm going to be talking about company registration in detail. We have company limited by share, company limited by guarantee, and unlimited by share, unlimited by different types of company registration. But if your business is in a partnership with someone else or an incorporator or somebody somewhere, then you have to go for a company registration. Another thing you need to consider is how many directors are you having in the business. Now there's a business name registration. Business name registration welcomes from 1 to about 12 directors, and your company registration allows for more people above 2 to be members of the board of directors. I believe you get that. Okay. Next thing you need to consider is that is what you are doing an organization. You know, there's a difference between a business and an organization. The business name is under part A, the company registration is under B, and the incorporated trustee is under part C, and that is where all organizations fall into. That includes mosques, churches, charitable organizations, whatever thing you do that has to do with documentation, members, you have like as an incorporated trustee. You have an organization whereby you raise youth, Christian body, whatever you do is going to be registered as an incorporated trustee. Do you get that? So the cost basically for me as of now is for all the different categories. Do you understand? I'll be releasing details of how much it costs to register all these different set of businesses. Okay, let's go to the next. Now to look at business name registration in detail. How do you get your business name registered? First thing you do, you check for availability of that name. Availability of that name can be done through different means. You can search through Google search your name. If the name of your business is Opeoluwa Enterprise, whatever the name is, if that's your business name, then you go to Opeoluwa Enterprise. Make sure there's no name that looks like Opeoluwa Enterprise. Now, once that is, you are sure that name is available to it, and externally that will give you about 30 to 40% confidence that name is available. Do you understand? Then you go to the CAC portal. In the CAC portal, though the portal has not been functioning now, where they search for name availability, you search for the name. If that person that owns the business you saw online has actually registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission, if the person has registered, then the name we roll out, you will see the name Opeoluwa Enterprise displayed there. But if it's not there, then you can quickly take the opportunity, register the name, and you are good to go. So once you check that your name is available, the next thing you do is to reserve the name. Name reservation is very affordable, and you can do that at ease, at your convenience. So when you reserve your name, then the next thing will be, the name reservation takes about 4 hours, 6 hours, at the most a whole working day. But currently, when I'm making this video, reservation, the last reservation I did took me about 2 weeks. No pandemic issue. I'm sure when you are seeing this video in the future, everything would have come back to normal. So immediately the name is reserved, then you complete registration form and you pay for filing fee. After that, then you prepare the signed copy of your pre-registration document and for uploads. Now you upload this scanned document for processing. Now note, one of the things most people don't know is that you can get your business name registered by yourself. The problem is that there are technicalities to an extent. You don't need a lawyer. You see, sometimes when somebody calls me, maybe somebody who is official calls me, I want to register my business. Okay, all right, can you send me your details? The person will be like, are you a lawyer? Do you have a lawyer? Do you have a legal this? Do you have a legal that? No, you don't need any legal body to register your business name. You can do it on your own, and that's why I'm here. What I'm trying to do majorly, and why I've been able to register business names, because I try to be at interval between the Corporate Affairs Commission and you as a startup. So now being there gives me an edge to be able to shrink the cost difference between the amount the CAC is collecting and the amount you be paying to them. Now if you go to a lawyer, the lawyer will charge you. For a business, a lawyer will charge you up to 25 to. Now I've gone online, I've seen the different prices, but at the price I'm doing it is virtually at a giveaway. I'm just charging you for the expenses I'm incurring. At the point I have to download spend money on data, print the documents, and do different things. That's what you are paying for if I help you register your business. Do you understand? So it's as simple as that. Okay, now let's go to the next one, company registration. You go through the same process for your company registration. I wouldn't want to take much time because I don't want this video to get too long. You take the same process, check for availability, reserve the name, you complete the pre-registration form with the CAC, you pay your filing with also, you have access to stamp duty from the FIRS, prepare the signed copy of your pre-registration upload, and you're good. Next one is incorporated trustee. Incorporated trustee is more bogus than all other forms of registration because you have to make publications notice in 3 national dailies, one being a local newspaper area where the organization is based. Do you get that? So once you do that, next thing you do, you prepare the signed copy and you upload the document and you're good to go. I believe that's all for now. Go look now. Before you go, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll still be releasing subsequent videos. There will be a time that I'll plan to take details of how you should register a business yourself. I won't have to come in. All you just have is consult me if you need my help, though I'll charge you for that anyway. But all you need to do, you do it yourself, and it's very simple to do. So there are different answers. If you have any question to me, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll make subsequent videos to attend to your question, or I contact you directly to attend to your question. Thank you very much. My name is Ezekiel Akingbola. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell so that you can get notifications whenever we release new videos that will be this valuable and rich. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.